Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we got this Toyota Camry that lost all power. It won't go more than 10-15 miles per hour. I had a similar Camry. It had a problem with the throttle body, but this one, it has a blocked catalytic converter. So today I got a small little camera here. So we're gonna put this camera inside the catalytic converter. I'm gonna show you what it looked like through the scope of this camera. But before that, how I tested this was, I took off the oxygen sensor, drove the car, beautiful power. Then I took off the bolts of the manifold, so I split the manifold from the head of the block, stuck a screwdriver, ply bar. I was able to go like 50-60 miles per hour. But anyways, let's take a look. And I am going to show you, I have a catalytic converter in this box over here, and I'm going to show you one that's good compared to the bad one. Okay, so let's get this job going. And first, let me show you what I did on the top of the engine. So pretty much what I did was I took off the oxygen sensor right here, put it to the side, and the car had a good performance. And after that, I tried again. I took off the bolts, I loosened them up 1/4 of an inch, and there's one down below over here, and I split this thing right through it. Car had a great amount of power. But what I'm gonna do is, let me hook up my camera right now and the scope, and we'll see. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Alright, so I got my camera already hooked up. As you can see right there, you can see the whole car right there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna stick this camera right into the bore here, and let's look inside what it looked like on the inside. As you can see right there, the whole cat is blocked. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, next we're gonna, if I'm able to, with this light, I'm able to look inside right through the hole right there, and you can see it's broken up on the edges. Let me get the angle again. On the edges here, it's all broken up on the sides right there, on the all around, okay, all around. But this cat is completely blocked. So what I'm gonna do is, let me show you one inside this box next, so you can even see that through my scope. All right, now let's take a look at this new one. Check that out. You see the filtering inside? It's nice and good. It's supposed to have nice and mesh and clean holes right in there, the whole thing right there. It looks pretty good. So guys, that's how your cat should be looking. And if you want good fuel economy, it's all about the flow of the engine right through that filter right there. It might not look so good, but I'll put this up on the video with my camera here. All right, so I didn't get to hit record, so you see numbers right there, the scope. I'll do a video on the scope that I have if you guys ever want to get it. And there it goes. So that's a good looking cat right there, brand new. All right, so let's go move over this way, and let's look at this one again. Look how terrible blocked this catalytic converter looks. As you can see the difference in both of them. All right guys, so what you would do here is replace the catalytic converter, and that should fix the job up. And do change new oxygen sensors. So in this Camry, I am going to be changing the oxygen sensors. So there's a part number on this box. So this is the part number here on the catalytic converter. But anyways, thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned by next part on this video, how to change a catalytic converter. Car lost all power, blocked catalytic converter on this particular vehicle. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.